Okey. Okey. Go. Sampai.
Kita buka dari skru belakang, skru kaliper dia.
Satu nak senang, skru brake hose ni kita longgarkan dulu sebelum buka yang ni. Sebab yang ni susah sekejap lagi. Kita longgarkan.
Pan, tak ada tray minyak ke Pan?
Sikit je.
Sikit je. Banyak ke?
Dah okey.
Yang lebih-lebih kat sini tak keluar lah.
Sikit je.
Ayah Pan.
Boleh.
Okay, sekarang kita nak buka punya brake pad. So kita boleh tengok condition brake pad dia. Kalau boleh ni terus bismillah 17 belakang ni kita cabut baru boleh buka ni. 9 lah 95. Kita buka disk, kita masuk skru 12 kat sini untuk kita ketakkan untuk tolak disk ni keluar. Kita ketak pusing je sampai bot roll lah. Bondis 948. Nak bersihkan habuk-habuk yang ada kat sini. Tengok lah condition laser bila dah bersihkan dengan sebelum. Kaliper dia pun tembak. tak nak pakai tu pakai angin pun boleh. Brepet masih tebal. Berapa .19 mm. Jadi masih dalam keadaan baik. Sebelah.
Ini
65 mm.
Ini step seterusnya.
Ikut IRFAN pun okey lah.
Dah.
Full lah. Kau nak ikat? Dah. Sekali satu lagi kali. Pam. Full.
Buat lagi.
Full. Aduh, dia tak cukup minyak tu.
Pam.
Okay, full. Dia ada macam back tu.
Sama je. Sama je. Full.
Dah tinggi.
Betul tak?
Ada video ni.
Okay, for discussion, first, based on your findings, what is the importance of bleeding? So bleeding is the brake system important because it removes trapped air from the brake fluid lines, ensuring a firm brake pedal and restoring full braking power for safe stopping. Number 2 is how can uneven wear on brake pads affect braking performance? Uneven wear on brake pads can reduce braking performance because one side of the brake system grips harder than the other, which can cause vibration, longer stopping distance, pulling to one side while braking, and faster damage to the disc or rotor. Third, what is the name of the component responsible for converting hydraulic pressure into mechanical force? The component responsible for converting hydraulic pressure into mechanical force in a disc brake system is called the brake caliper. What is the sign of air inside the fluid line not fully removed? So the sign of the air is still trapped inside the brake fluid line is when the brake pedal feels soft and or spongy and needs to be pressed repeatedly to build pressure, showing that the brakes are not working at full efficiency. That's all for our discussion. Thank you very much.
Okay, so for brake disc system part ni, we have 14 component, which is the first caliper mounting bolts, guide pins for upper, and second caliper mounting bolts, guide, which is we call as guide pins also, but for lower. 3, we have bleeder screw. 4, we caliper body or caliper frame. 5th, we have guide pin boots. 6, we have piston seal, or we call as inner seal. 7, we have piston dust boot, or the other name is outer seal. Number 8, we have brake piston. 9, piston retaining clip. 10, caliper mount. 11, brake pad outer. 12, brake pad inner. And 13, shim or backing plate. And the last one, we have 14, anti-rattle or pad springs. Okay, for table 2, we have brake disc system condition, where we have conduct the experiment and take a look at the condition before and after. So for brake fluid, the condition before bit dirty and quite not good, and after service we have cleared it and the brake fluid has been changed and all good and clear. Second, we have brake pads, also in a good condition, still thick, so we don't need to change anything. And for brake disc also have a good surface, so we also don't need to change it. Caliper piston also compress well. Bleeder valve also can be with function well. And 6, brake hose also in a good condition before and after. So that's all for me. Thank you.
For measurement table, measure disc thickness using vernier caliper is more than manufacturer ASEAN minimum is 70 mm. For the result, 18.48 mm. Number 2 is brake pad thickness using vernier caliper. Specification is more than 3 mm. For the result is for inner is 6.19 and for outer is 6.54. Number 3 is brake fluid level using visual inspection and specification between minimum and maximum. For the result is minimum, and lastly is air inline using visual during bleeding, specification none, and for the result is none.
For conclusion, the essential conclusion is the brake system function and safety require rigorous adherence to specific procedure and component tolerance, including immediately replacing rusty master cylinder to prevent failure, preventing brake fluid contamination, correcting the cause of this lateral run out (LRO) by cleaning the hub face, ensuring caliper guide pin are straight, and always performing proper bench bleeding and system bleeding to eliminate air and ensure a firm pedal.